dear student, very good afternoon, good evening to all my dear students. So today I am going to discuss the topics of types of chemical reaction. The second type, decomposition reaction, we already discussed in my previous video. You can watch on my channel, chemistry wala. So what is the decomposition reaction? So I am going to start with there are three types of decomposition reaction today. That is the first one is the thermal decomposition, second one is the electrolytic decomposition, and third one is the photochemical decomposition. So these are the types of decomposition reaction. So you can say the decomposition reaction is the reaction you can observe a single reaction breaks down into two or more simpler products. That is the decomposition reaction. We can take the examples of calcium carbonate, heated and it converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So right now we are going to discuss the types of decomposition reaction. The types of decomposition reaction is the first one is the thermal decomposition. What is thermal decomposition? You can understand with the name thermal decomposition by the process of heating, by the process of heat. Thermal means heat. So the meaning of thermal is that is heat that comes from. So decomposition of a substance caused by heating is called thermal decomposition reaction. Whatever any substance going to heat and it is caused during that reaction, that is called the decomposition reaction. The examples of decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. When you decompose sodium bicarbonate, it converted into sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. You can see the example here. 2NaCO3 is a solid form, can be heat, and Na2CO3 is solid plus H2O liquid. Second one is the electrolytic decomposition. Second type. So first type is completed, the thermal decomposition. Decomposition of a substance caused by heating is called thermal decomposition reaction. We can take lots of examples. The first one is that. Second one, if you want to take the example of the second one, if you want to take the example of another, you can take the example of another CaCO3. You can also take the example of thermal decomposition CaCO3 when you are going to heat it converted into CO plus CO2 gas. It means this is also going to be thermal decomposition reaction. So you can say thermal decomposition is a reaction which is caused by heating. Second one is the electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition, the decomposition of a substance, any substance going to decompose by the help of electric current, by the help of electricity, is called electrolytic decomposition, and that is also called electrolysis. If an exam comes a question, clear the or illustrate an experiment of electrolysis. Then you can write you can take the examples of decomposition reaction in that type of diagram. I am going to take the type of diagram. First of all, you print the diagram. So you can take the two test tube also there, two test tube, and two test tube is there, two test tube, and you put the two test tube like this. So you can take the two test tube. After that you can put the electrode also there, and you can draw with the terminal. You can draw with the terminal and two terminal, and that is the first one is the anode, and second one is the cathode, and it joined with the battery, and it's joined with the battery. There is a battery is a battery, and there is a water. So what is there? That is the mug, and you can take, that is the plastic mug, and you can take that is the water, and anode and cathode. Both the terminals are there. This is a 5-volt battery, and there is a rubber cork to not pass the shock the electric current. There is a rubber cork. There is a two test tube. After that, you can take that test tube. The oxygen is converted going to be the electrolytic decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen. This is all about the electrolytic decomposition. So the next, this is the activity also in your NCERT book guys. So you can go throughout the activity and make it clear that it must come in this board examination 2026. Is it clear? So third one is the photochemical reaction. Photochemical decomposition. Photochemical decomposition reaction. So this is the third one, and that one is the photochemical decomposition reaction. That is the photochemical decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction may also be brought about by decomposition reaction may also be brought about by the agency of light, by the agency of light, that is the sunlight. You can say that is the sunlight. So such a reaction is called photochemical decomposition reaction. Such a reaction is called photochemical decomposition reaction. So guys, you have to be just take the example of photochemical decomposition. You can take silver chloride. It is here. That is the solid form. Presence of sunlight. It gives you the silver 2Ag solid form plus Cl2 in the gas form. So these are the lots of examples is there. You can take also 2AgBr. Here the silver bromide in the solid form, presence of sunlight. It makes you Br plus Ag. So you can say the you can take the example of 2Ag plus Br2. 2Ag plus Br2. So these are the examples of photochemical decomposition reaction. So the decomposition reaction may also be bound by the agency of light. Such a reaction is called photochemical decomposition. There are lots of examples you can take. This photochemical decomposition reaction is important for the black and white photography also. So you can take the example of photochemical decomposition reaction. These are all about the today class, the decomposition reaction. We also read about the decomposition reaction in the previous classes. The decomposition reaction is the reaction in which you can observe that a single reaction break down into a simpler product. This is called decomposition reaction. Like calcium carbonate, when you heat it, that is converted into CaO plus CO2. That is the decomposition reaction example. So a single substance is converted into two or more simpler substance, that is called decomposition reaction. These are the types of decomposition reaction, that is the thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, and photochemical decomposition. So this is all about the today's class. So best of luck for your board examination. Be prepared for the board examination because half yearly, for lots of students half yearly examination is going on. So I try to give my best, try to complete the chemical reaction equation as fast as can. After that I start the acid base and salt and metals and metal and the last chapter carbon and compound. Before examination I try to complete all of your syllabus. So must watch my videos, continue, please subscribe my channel more and more, give likes and views and share. Thank you for today's class.